Here's a 2016 Kia Optima. Open the door and climb into the extraordinarily comfortable cabin. With the right balance of bold design and soft touches, a warm welcome awaits. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, 2 USB ports, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Cars.com finds with its crease sheet metal and low-slung shape, there's a luxury car sophistication to the Optima's exterior that you don't see in a lot of family sedans. Kia, designed for fun, driven for thrills. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
At Groganstown Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, we're committed to exceptional customer satisfaction. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 6100 North Telegraph Road in Toledo, Ohio.